morning all. I'm on my own today, down in the Brecon Beacons around the Black Mountains area. I've got a massive hike planned and a Bothy stay. I do have my tent with me, and let's see how the adventure goes. Bring you back in a bit. So I'm at the first one now, claggy as hell, and I'm walking in the rain. But one down, on I must plod. Well, top of the second mountain, Lord knows what's happened to that trig point. But as you can see, the cloud, it's not as claggy here at the minute. I haven't done much filming in between the two peaks because the weather's poo. You can't see nothing, but I'm doing it, I'm bagging them. I'm going to keep plodding on. Right, bring you back in a bit. See you in a bit. Third one now. As you can see, the weather is poo. I've got 2 more to do today, and then I'm dropping down the Bothy. Right, bring you back in a bit. Couple of headstones here. Can't really make out the engraving. I'm hoping these clouds lift a bit more. I'm heading that way, making my way to the final. Well, I've got 2 more to do, that one there, and then the one behind Grwyne Fawr, which is up in that clag, and then I'm going to drop down to the Bothy. I've hardly filmed anything in between the mountains, peeps. You can hardly see. When the clag's in, visibility's down to about 25-30 metres at best. But hey ho, it's a challenge, and I love a challenge. And I'm soaked wet through, even though I've got my waterproofs on. I'm sweating underneath. Right, see you in a bit. Hello again. So that's Grwyne Fawr there, and that's where I've come from, all there, that way. Ooh. Clouds lifted a little bit, probably to about 750 metres now. So I'm going to head up Grwyne Fawr and then drop down to the Bothy. I know I'm going to be early, but I don't care, I'm soaking. Right, onwards I must go. See you in a bit. Grwyne Fawr now, so that's number 5. I'm going to just head down to the Bothy. I'm soaking. It's not raining as such, it's just because I'm walking in the clag. 5 new nut holes done. Happy with that. I'm going to go dry out and have a brew. See you in a bit. Slight change of plan. I'm pressing on to Grwyne Fawr. That's where I came from earlier. Come along that ridge up to Grwyne Fawr, and now I'm heading up Grwyne Fawr. And then from there I'm going to drop down to the Bothy. When I checked it on the map, it just looked a bit shorter and easier than having to walk right round the back end of the res. But look at that now. So I've come up to that ridge, followed it along, dropped down to the saddle or buck, and headed up into the clag there behind me, which was Grwyne Fawr. But it's not raining anymore, which is a bonus. Oh, sorry about the shaky hands. Yeah, so clag's lifting a bit now. Hopefully it'll stay off. Can't see it, but some views are coming in now. Woo! Sheepy sheep. It's been a cracking walk. and not too difficult either, to be fair. That first bit was a slog, getting up onto the first mountain, but then once you're up, it's quite easy and it's pathed. So the summit's just coming into view for me. You can just make it out now. So yeah, I'm gonna go and bag that bugger. That'll be mountain number 6 of today, and then I'll leave number 7 till in the morning, because I'll come back up this way, head over to do the 7th one, and drop back down to the car. So I will see you in a bit. Grwyne Fawr. Small schoolboy error. Should have stuck with my original plan and dropped down off Warnvac. I've dropped too far down the valley on the south side, so I'm now trekking back up the valley to the reservoir. However, it is a stunning valley. There's the dam. Look at that. Beautiful. So I've dropped down off that one, come down to the bottom there, and I'm making my way up the track. I'll be glad when I get there, because it's been a bit of a slog now. It was alright before, and hit a bit of a wall, but once I get the bothy, get stripped off, get the dry clothes on, and crack a can, Monsieur Rush, we'll be happy again. Woo! So the 6 lovely lads that I met from Cardiff, they've now gone. I put a picture up of them. Fair play, left me a couple of beers. There they are actually. You just make them out there. They've come up for a day, just to have a bit of a barbecue for a stag do. Bloody rain now, raining again. But I've got the whole Bothy to myself at the moment. What a cracking place. What a cracking place. Right, so inside the Bothy, I'm sure a lot of you have seen this before. Got the bench, fire, loads of firewood I brought. They've left me a load of coal as well. I brought 2 instant light and fire logs. And then there's this is the sleeping area up on this bunk. I've already got my bed and everything laid out. Put my bag up here. I've got my wet clothes drying out. No, I'm sure they'll dry out better when the fire's lit. Left me some stuff. Cardboard to burn, coal, loads of firewood. Fair play. Got my beers, some rum and lemonade. Got me water for me food. Bloody raining now, though. So there's the lads. Luke and Ben were the only 2 names I could remember just because of the Star Wars thing, so apologise, lads. If you do subscribe, I apologise. Anywho's, I'll get some tea on the go in a minute. I'll get some music as well. But look at that view. Beautiful. Morning all. It's 6:15 in the morning now. There's a cracking Polish guy that joined me late last night, Jack. He's gone. So yeah, beautiful morning. Should be able to keep the waterproofs away today. I'm going to head up that way, back that 7th mountain. I'm going to finish packing away, and then happy days. So I'm all packed away now, and the sun's decided to come out, which is great. Fantastic. Right, I'll bring you back up the top so we can see some of the views we didn't get to see yesterday. Back up top near the summit of Grwyne Fawr, and you can see across to Penafan, which is there in the distance, and over to the Carmarthen fans as well. What a beautiful morning. So I'm going back up on Grwyne Fawr, Pennegaid and then the last one. Right, I'll bring you back in a bit, but look at that. Back up on Grwyne Fawr. Yay. And now heading over to Pennegaid again. You can see the ridge line I came. So that one in the distance was the first one. Came along that bridge, down and up to here. And now I'm heading over there again. So, on the final summit now, 7 over the weekend. It's Pennegaid and Grwyne Fawr. So I started yesterday, up onto that mountain, across the ridge line, to Grwyne Fawr, Pennegaid and then I dropped down to Grwyne Fawr, Bothy, stayed the night. I've come back up Grwyne Fawr, Pennegaid again. Final mountain, and now I'm going to make my way back to the car. There's Sugarloaf in the distance. Not a mountain, it's just a hill at 598, but such beautiful views this morning. So I'm glad I did what I did. There's Penafan in the distance as well. What a cracking hike, awesome. Right, make my way back to the car now. Well, that's me nearly done, back at the car nearly. So glad as well. That's the first mountain I went up yesterday, and it's been a cracking adventure. Black Mountains, you didn't disappoint. Anyway guys, thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'm also going to finally get round to doing the draw for the mat. There's only 2 entrants when I last looked, so I'm going to do a draw and give them both a prize. So thanks again, see you on the next one.